thanks for coming to check out another synthetic wig review. So today's review is on the new Sheer Muse Makayla, and I'm super excited to bring this wig to you guys. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications by hitting the bell so you never miss a new upload from your girl, and make sure you hit that like and you share this video because it really helps me out. You guys, so like I said, we do have Miss Makayla, and of course I wanted her in this lime green color, but it was definitely sold out. This wig is available on Elevate Styles, and I will leave a link in the description box down below to where you can grab her. So I ended up grabbing her in the mint frost color. I tried to think of a color that would be hard for me to achieve on my own, and I feel like I've never been successful getting this mint frost color. So I was like, let me go ahead and get this unit in this color because it would be hard for me to go ahead and dye the unit this color. So this color is really, really pretty. It's definitely vivid. So if you're looking for like a pastel or soft wig shade in this color, this is not it, sis. This one is very, very vivid and very bold. Now it looks like it comes in a lot of vivid colors. A few of them are a little more subdued, but for the most part, it's super colorful. And it doesn't even come in black or 1B or anything like that. So this is for my girls who love color. No dark roots and nothing like that. We do have some baby hairs here, so I probably will make use of those. And we have two combs right by the part. We have a curved side part. The cap is nude color, and we have a comb in the back and two adjustable straps. The unit feels very yucky. It has a nice yucky texture, and I definitely feel like it's nice and full. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the lace and pop her on. If you're interested in the unit that I'm rocking right now, I will leave a link up above or down in the description box down below. But make sure you finish watching this review first. this is Miss Makayla, and when I tell you she slays straight out the pack, she is fire straight out the box. Like, I did doctor her up a little bit, but I promise you, she was super cute the instant I put her on, okay? This wig is fire. I love it. I'm feeling like a Smurfette out this joint. Like, it's so cute. The length is perfect. The curl is perfect. Usually when I get these synthetic bobs, like, the curl is too much, and I always have to straighten the curl out a little bit. Not this one. This one is bomb. The hairline is sensational. Y'all did that. Like, get into this hairline. It's not plucked. It's nothing. It's nothing. I didn't cut the baby hairs either. These are how the baby hairs came. I did not have to cut any baby hairs. All I had to do was lay them down with my Style Factor Edge Control and add a little bit of powder into the parting space. And that is it, okay? This wig has me feeling like I really want to go somewhere. Like, I need to do something. I feel like she's matching my nails. She's matching my jumpsuit. Like, I'm ready. I am ready. I wish my eye makeup matched it. Okay, let's try it in front of the ears and not just behind the ears. I mean, although I'm loving that look too. Okay, in front of the ears. Here we go. Cute. Very cute. Very cute. So you can literally, like, push her forward, wear her like this. You can push her back so you can show the hairline. This unit is giving me virgin hair type of tease. Like, it's really a dupe. So yeah, I'm loving this. I think it's super cute for the money. It's super, 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 super good for the money. All the other colors I can't speak for, but this mint has me absolutely shook. I love it. So if you guys have questions or I missed something, leave it in the comments down below. Make sure you're sharing these videos. If you like what you see, if you feeling my energy, you liking my vibe, share it with a friend. Let them subscribe. Let's grow this family, you guys. We are at, I think, 35,000. So thank you to all my 35,000 subscribers. I appreciate y'all. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.